The ideal foundation for implementing Indonesia region policy is Pancasila. This is because the values contained in Pancasila are the guidelines and foundation for implementing Indonesia's foreign policy. Muhammad Hatta said that Pancasila is one of the objective factors that influence Indonesia's foreign policy because Pancasila's position as a state philosophy binds the entire Indonesian nation.
The basis of Indonesia is foreign policy was again emphasized by Mohatta in his book entitled Basics of Indonesia Foreign Policy. In general, the objectives of foreign policy are as follows: defending the nation's independence and safeguarding the country's safety, obtaining both from outside to interest people's property if these goods are not or cannot be produced themselves, increasing national peace because only in a state of peace Indonesia can carry out development, increasing the brotherhood of all nations and as in the ideal contained in Pancasila, the foundation and philosophy of the Indonesian nation.
The constitutional basis in relate to the Indonesian state constitution, namely the 1945 Constitution. In the opening of the 1945 Constitution, the first paragraph, the constitutional basis for the implementation of Indonesian foreign policy, is clearly explained. In fact, independence is the right for all nations and therefore colonialism in the world must be abolished because it is not in accordance with humanity and justice. In other words, Indonesian foreign policy opposes all forms of colonialism in the world. On the basis, Indonesian foreign policy stage began to emerge for the main 1915, when Cold War conditions began to move to Southeast Asia, especially the Indonesian Chinese region. Indonesia was able to take a firm political stance and unit constituted in the South Asia region to resolve the heated conflict in the Indonesian-China region.
An operational basis for free and active foreign policy is needed so that the principle of free and active foreign policy can be operationalized in Indonesia. Since the beginning of independence until the older era, the operation basis for implementing a free and active foreign policy was largely expressed through President Sukarno edict and speeches. On November 1st, 1945, a political announcement was issued which contained the following: peaceful politics and peaceful coexistence do not interfere in the internal affairs for other countries, good neighborly politics and cooperation with all countries in the economic or political other file always refer to the UN Charter in conducting relations with other countries.
Good link Comedy for 1959 dan 1965. The official basis of Indonesia foreign policy was Sophie from 1945 dan confused to this paragraph as 11 and ST 13. Paragraph 1 and 2 of 1945 was first from past elites for on 17 Agustus 1959 or Q as Police Maris of Republic of Indonesia. He matched concert team and lawn tegot for Indonesia for Polish therefore log impulse comply with. My thing Indonesia fleet is thing left. The log there gold impellis and is free to hailing legs love place.
The excellency of the two ghost cannon be separated from the history of Indonesia. People who expected countries even to inflation has not ended because there are still countries that are taking side with the true collecting blows, so that it become a member of the non-religious movement. In other words, Indonesian forgets Polish is not politics that give the impression of washing hands, not just defend but also effective and present and oriented. During the New Order era, the operational basic of Indonesian Forget Police was increasingly stagehand touch several from regulation. Their regulation includes the Imperial Decree No. 12 MPRs and 1966. This declaration was issued on July 5, 1966 and stated that the negroes of Indonesian Forget Police wish and one be free and activist, anti-imperialists and colonials in all its form and prejudice in implementing world order because on imperated internal peace and social justice, and two, serve in national nation and the merit of people suffering.
Another formal regarding the basis for implementing Indonesian foreign policy is the Empire Decree that March 22, 1973 with the following contents: continue to implement a free and active foreign policy by devoted to national interest, special economic development, taking steps to strengthen the stability of the Southeast Asia and Southwest Pacific region so as to enable countries in the region to be able to take care of their own future through building nation resilience and strengthening the forum for cooperation between countries in the Southeast Asian region. Develop cooperation for peaceful process in all countries and international bodies and further increase their role in helping nations that are fighting for their independence.
Constitutional will for professionals he sought he implementation of Indonesia foreign policy is please he understand of Indonesia free and ACV for police first on nice interest si polens solidaritas berwell developer caution support he struggle for nation independence reject all form of solution and shopping nation in the press and enterprise curve of blank popular.
The Republic of Indonesia is not owned by a group, doesn't belong to a religion, not owned by a tribe, not owned by a custom class, but it belongs to all of us from Sabang to Merauke.